In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Smartsheet training options and understand their pricing. If you want to build your Smartsheet skills, the first place to start is Smartsheet University, or the main Smartsheet learning page. This is where the company organizes its training resources, courses, and learning materials. Opening one of these pages gives you a clear overview of what kinds of training are available, whether you are completely new to the platform or looking to deepen your expertise. Once you are there, take some time to review the available courses and learning paths. Learning paths are especially useful because they group content in a logical order, making it easier to follow a progression instead of picking random lessons. As you browse, pay attention to course titles, descriptions, and who each option is designed for. Some training may focus on beginners, while other content may be intended for advanced users, project managers, or administrators. Next, check whether the course is marked as free, included, or paid. This is important because not all training options are offered the same way. Some materials may be available at no extra cost, while others may be included only if your organization already has the right plan or training access. In other cases, you may find training that requires a separate purchase. Looking for this information early can save you time and help you narrow down your options quickly. You should also look for any certification pricing or instructor-led training prices. These types of programs often have separate costs because they may include live sessions, structured coursework, or official exams. If the pricing is listed, review it carefully so you understand what is included. Sometimes the fee covers more than just the lesson itself, so it is helpful to read the details before deciding. If you are using Smartsheet through your workplace, ask your administrator whether your company already has access to training. In many organizations, learning resources are already included, but individual users may not realize they are available. Checking with your admin can help you avoid unnecessary purchases and may also point you toward the best internal option. If pricing is not shown publicly, contact Smartsheet directly. Some training costs depend on business plans, team size, or custom arrangements, so the website may not always display exact numbers. Reaching out can give you the most accurate and up-to-date information. After reviewing everything, choose the training option that best fits your learning goal. Focus on what you want to achieve, whether that is basic platform knowledge, advanced skills, or certification, and select the option that aligns with your needs and budget.